If your NFT withdrawal is stuck in limbo, it's time to take action. Let's fix this. First, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Treasure NFT might be a scam. Many users have reported issues with withdrawals and even flagged it as a Ponzi scheme. But let's see what you can do. Start by contacting Treasure NFT support. Look for an official email or contact form on their site. Be clear and provide all necessary details like transaction IDs and wallet addresses. But be prepared for silence. Many users report no response. Next, check their social media channels. If they are active, you might find updates or solutions there. But beware of unofficial groups offering help. They could be scams too. Verify your transaction on a block explorer like Etherscan or BSCScan. If it's stuck in a pending state, it might be an issue on their end. Lastly, if you suspect a scam, report it. Use platforms like Etherscan or bitcoinabuse.com. Remember, avoid sending more money or using recovery services. And never share your private keys. Stay safe in the crypto world.